another topic which we need to be cover. So style binding lets you dynamically set inline CSS style on HTML element based on the component property and expressions. So earlier also we discussed this like class binding, right? So using class we are applying the CSS. So here using inline style CSS we can achieve the same things. So we have some of the example which we need to be cover here. So if you see here, right, I have three paragraphs, and in the three paragraph I'm applying some inline CSS which we need to be see in the demo session. So if you see here, right, I have this syntax to achieve this, like style dot properties bind to other class style properties, and even we have this, you can use the units also. Okay, so we'll utilize this units also to understand like how we can achieve the font size and all. Okay, so another is like you can also apply the conditions using the expressions. So earlier, if you see, right, we are passing some of the true and false expressions, right? So we can pass it here also. So in short, how you can give the answer, like if anybody asks you like what is a style binding, so you can say applying inline CSS style dynamically from component logic. So here a full working Angular example which we are going to see. So there if you see, right, we are going to cover fixed style value, like it could be fixed, it cannot be changed, and we can see like using component properties how we can going to achieve this style binding. And another thing is with unit like pixels, we can apply the font size using the properties value. Okay, and we have the conditional style binding also which we are going to see, and button also. So let's go to the code first and understand like how we need to be write this. So I already have the project structure which I have created for understanding purpose. Okay, and which we are going to be cover here. So let's go to the CMD and open your like project locations first, and there we have the Angular 20 folder, right? So cd Angular 20 is the folder, and inside the Angular 20 I'm having the project name is the day 9. Inside the day 9 I need to open this code into the VS code. So we have this command code space dot, so it will directly open our code into the VS code. So if you see, I have this uh, project, and there I have written some of the code. So we are not writing any CSS here because we are passing the inline style, right? So only just what I have app.html. In the app.html, I have this heading tags where I'm taking the static text, and then we have one of the paragraph where we having some of the this text is always red, and I'm applying some like inline style, so which I already explained you earlier, right? And then we have another paragraph style dot color and is equal to I'm passing the property name, and based on this property it is going to take the color. Okay, so and after that with the unit like pixels, so I'm having this property where we having the like size in the ts file. It is based on that it is going to take the decisions. Okay, conditional statement like is active, or if it is active yellow, if it is something, and based on the condition it is going to take the action. So we have this button also, so based on the button click event it is going to be take the decisions as per the like our ts file. So first understand the ts file. So in the ts file what I have done, I have taken this like uh, is active true, and font size is 20 and text color is blue. Okay, so I have taken this, so based on that it is going to take the Just I will run this first so you will be able to understand. So ng serve we have to do for running this application. So first it is going to build our application, and then it will going to launch this into the browser with the default port, right? So it's taking time, maybe but it will definitely come. It's just started actually building, and then wait for 2 3 seconds, it will launch. So you got this URL, right? Default URL, which we need to be copy and paste it in your browser and click on enter. So once you will click on enter, right, you will be able to see the like a particular the things which we are going to be check here. So if you see, right, so based on that like our ts file having this, like, see, is active is equal to true, right, and font size is equal to 20, and text color is equal to blue, right. So if you go to the html, right, in html this is the fixed, it cannot be going to change, it is always red. So this text is always red, it is not going to change, but this text use text color from the ts, so based on the ts it is going to be used, right. So if you see here, right, in the ts we have this uh, text color is blue, right. If you change this color dynamically, it can going to change there also. So if you see here, right, font size is 24, so if you increase this like 50, so it is going to be changed there. So if you see, right, see this font size is going to be bigger than earlier, right. And then if you see this blue, you can say this is red, so that is also going to change, it's coming red now. Okay, so now this background change based on the is active true. Okay, so if you see, right, it is true, that's why it is coming uh, yellow. So if you see, we have the condition in the html, so if it is true, it is yellow, if it is like false, then it's a light green. So then we are going to check this one also. So based on the condition, it is giving us the color, and we have this button also, based on that button it is going to be to the uh, things. So that code I'm not written, I did not written till now. So I'm expecting you people can try this writing one methods and call it here, so you will be able to understand like how it is going to be reflect on the based on the click. So I will be cover this like event binding in the separate session. So we'll see like how event binding is going to be uh, happen in Angular. Okay, thank you very much for watching this, and we'll meet in the next session. And till now, you can practice this, and please like and subscribe my channel if you like. And we'll cover each and everything in Angular 20, whatever the Angular 20 is recommended. We are going to cover it here. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.